All right.
Ready? What's in there? What is it?
I don't know. A puppy. A puppy.
Let's put him on the ground. Let's throw him up.
This is a child.
Oh wow!
Puppy. A wet. Don't know.
Look
It's
at-
a rabbit.
Look at.
A giraffe.
Oh my goodness!
Cool.
Wow!
Cool. I'm gonna put your mallard curls right here, okay?
Okay.
Oh my goodness! Look at how beautiful it is. Oh, look at the giraffe. And a butterfly.
Look how many kinds there are.
Look at the butterfly.
Oh, look at that. It's a flower. Yeah.
Oh. Can you smell it? Mmm.
Yeah.
Whoa.
No way. This is amazing.
I think it's ugly.
A cream. Wow. Beautiful.
Another queen.
Wow.
Beautiful.
They're puffed up, William.
Wow, no way. What is that?
Is that a macaw?
A car, yeah, I think it is.
Parrot? Wow.
Wow.
Damn, she made these all
Amazing.
for you.